May 12, 2025. After such canvass, it appears that with 37,715 votes for the office of mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim as Mayor of Bohol, City of Tagbilaran, Province of Bohol, Mayor Jane Sensoria Kahis Yap.
Bili ba ko Jabi oy? Jabi ba?
Ay, no?
Ha? Jalan. Luin daw ito ka. Jabi. Anis ko tayo.
Atse.
Jabi. Email. Forward email.